Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you lesson 21 space research. Put a tick mark Put a tick mark next to each correct answer. First one, the first animal to travel into space was a dog. Second one, the first man-made satellite was named Sputnik. Rakesh Sharma went into space along with two Russians. Fourth, Neil Armstrong was the first man to set foot on the moon. The second was Edwin Aldrin. Fifth one, the spacecraft that carried Sunita Williams into space was called Discovery. Sixth, first Indian space mission to moon, Chandrayaan first. Now fill in the blanks with words from the box. The first Indian satellite was Aryabhatta. Second, Neil Armstrong traveled to the moon in Apollo 11. Apple was the first test communication satellite of India. The Vikram Sarup Center is in Trivandrum. Fifth one, Bhaskara was India's second satellite. Sixth one, the Apollo spacecraft was carried by Saturn. The first man to travel into space was Yuri Gagarin. Eighth one, the name of the first animal, a dog, to travel into space was Laika. Ninth one, Aryabhatta was launched in 1975. 10th, Rohini I was launched in 1980. 11th, Astrosat is to launch in 2012 as India's first astronomy satellites. C. Write true or false next to each statement. Apple was launched in 1981. True. Second, Insect IA was launched from USSR. False. Kalpana Chawla went into space by the Space Shuttle Discovery. False. Fourth one, India was the third member to join the Space Club. False. Valentina Tereshkova landed on the moon after Neil Armstrong. False. Sixth, the Russians were the first to send satellites into space. True. Seventh, Sputnik was the first man-made satellite. True. Eighth one, Sunita Williams had the world record of the longest space flight by a woman. True. The first space shuttle to fly into space was Challenger. False. 10th one, Sputnik I was launched on October 4, 1957. True. Lesson 22, A Peep into Science. So first one, knot is the unit used to measure the speed of ship. True. Second one, LPG is chemically odorless. True. Third, bulbs are normally filled with air. False. Encephalitis is a disease that affects the liver. False. Peas scatter their seeds by explosion. True. Sixth one, hemoglobin gives the blood in its color. True. Seventh, some species of cuckoos are migratory. True. Oxygen is the major component of air. False. Ninth, rats can survive without water longer than camels. True. George Ohm is known as father of electricity. True. Sputnik is the natural satellite of the earth. False. 12th, grease help to reduce friction. True. 13. The word science is derived from the Latin word scientia for knowledge. True. 14th, botany is the scientific study of plant life. True. Zoology is the scientific study of plants' lives. So children, you also know cuckoo are strong birds of medium size. They range in size from 6 to 25 inches. They have slender bodies, long tails and long strong legs. The feet have two inner toes pointed forward and the two outer ones backward. Most cuckoo lives in forest. Most are insect eaters. They feed on hairy caterpillars which are avoided by many birds. Now moving towards match the following. So match the following by writing the correct letters in the box for each. First one, calorie, built for the measurement of heat. Mirage. Second one is an optical illusion. Third, energy is the capacity to work. Catalyst changes other without changing itself. Sericulture deals with silkworm breeding. Sixth one, sodium chloride is the chemical name for common salt. Philately deals with stamp collection. Dehydration refers to loss of water. Ninth one, fuse is a safety device. 10th, dry ice, solidified carbon dioxide. Now C, put a tick, right mark for each correct answer. First one, which of the following is a primary color? Yellow. Second one, which of the following metal is added to gold for making ornaments? Copper. Third one, through what process is common salt obtained from seawater? Evaporation. Fourth one, what color does lime water become when carbon dioxide is added to it? Whitish. Fifth one, which of the following is not a fossil fuel? Biodiesel. So children, do you know knot is a unit of speed equal to 1 nautical mile per hour. The abbreviation preferred by the International Bureau of Weights and Measures is KN, and the abbreviation is KT is also in widespread use, sometimes with for the plural knots. One international knot equal to 1 nautic mile per hour equal to 1.852 kilometer per hour. Philately is the study of revenue and postal stamp. This includes the design, production and uses of stamps after they are authorized for issue, usually by government authorities, the most common one being postal authority. It is different from stamp collecting, which is the acquisition of stamps at time without regards for origin or usage. Next one is complete each name with the help of hints given below. So hints is given below to you, and you have to know what is this. It is the study of human mind, psychology. It is the study of structure of earth crust, geology. It's deal with cell, cytology. It's deal with position and influence of stars, astrology. It is the study of animal life, zoology. It's deal with the study of nerves, neurology. It is the study of industrial arts, technology. It is the study of living body, biology. It is the study of skulls and brain, pherenology. It is the study of virus, virology. So these are the names of the study of the study. So radiology is the medical specialty directing medical imaging technologies to diagnose and sometimes treat disease. Originally it was the aspects of medical science dealing with the medical use of electromagnetic energy emitted by X-ray machine or other such radiation device for the purpose of obtaining visual information as part of medical imaging. Today, following extensive training, radiologists direct an array of imaging technologies such as ultrasound, compound tomography, CT, and magnetic resonance imaging to diagnose or treat disease. So what is cardiologist and what is the use of cardiologist and who do cardiologist? Cardiologist is the branch of medicine pertaining to the heart and the vascular system of the human body, the cardiovascular system. Cosmology is the quantitative, usually mathematical study of the universe in its totality and by extension humanity plays in it. Dendrology is the science of tree and more generally the study of woody plants. Woody plants may be tree, shrubs and shrubs. Hydrology is the study of the movement, distribution and quality of water throughout the earth and thus address both the hydrology cycle and water resources. Sinology is the study of China and the things related to China by non-Chinese or the Chinese living outside China. Oxylogy is a meta term covering the study of all aspects of human physical growth. Next, fill in the blanks with words from the box given below. Vinegar is the common name for acetic acid. Burning of candle is a chemical change. Third, nymphs are babies of cockroach and grasshopper. Fourth, mosquito and leeches are parasites. Fifth, rabies is a disease caused by dog bites. Sixth, ores are minerals from which a metal can be extracted. 17. The space occupied by an object is called volume. 8. The thermostat controls the temperature level in a refrigerator. 9th. Nitrogen is a liquid metal. 10th. A phonogram helps to reproduce sounds. F. Give a reason for each of the following. A thickest glass tumbler cracks when boiling water is poured into it. Unequal expansion. Second, salt is mixed with ice in an ice cream box. Salt lowers temperature. Third, carbon dioxide is used to put out fire. Carbon does not allow things to burn. Fourth, people use white clothes in summer. The color white is a good reflector of light and a bad observer of heat. Fifth one, a flash of lightning is seen before the thunder is heard. Light travels faster than sounds. Lesson number 23. When and where. Put a tick, write marks for each correct answer. Burma, now the Republic by Myanmar, became a republic in 1948. The second one, the Taj Mahal was built between the year 1730-48. Third one, the Quiet India movement was started in 1942. Fourth one, our capital was shifted from Kolkata to Delhi in 1911. Fifth one, Rakesh Sharma went into space in 1984. Sixth one, Albert Einstein died in 1955. Seventh one, Napoleon Bonaparte died in 1821. Saddam Hussein of Iraq invaded Kuwait in 1990. Sonia Gandhi became the Congress president in 1998. 10th one, Colonel Gaddafi of Libya was killed on October 20, 2011. Put a tick mark for each correct answer. Where was Thomas Edison born? USA. Where did the Industrial Revolution start? England. Where is the Kanha National Park? Madhya Pradesh. Where was the great British leader buried? Westminster Abbey. Fifth one, where did Alexander the Great die? Babylon. Sixth one, where is Newcastle, England? Where is the famous Hyde Park? London. Eighth one, where is the Wailing Wall? Israel. Ninth one, where is the Nile River? Egypt. 10th one, where is the Wall Street? USA. Now, lesson 24, car parts. 12 different parts of the car are marked. The name of all parts are given below but not in order. Rearrange this correctly and write them next to each number. First one, rear view mirror. Second one, boat. Third one, wiper. Fourth one, bonnet. Fifth one, bumper. Sixth one, wheel bump. Seventh one, radiator. Eighth one, number plate. Ninth one, park light. 10th one, headlight. 11th, steering wheel. 12th, windscreen. Children, That's completes lesson 23. Sorry. 23 and 24. From lesson 21 to 24, you have to write down this notes in your GK book. Thank you.